It's a beautiful day for school today, a beautiful day for a student. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? It's a studious day for school today, a studious day for a student. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? I have always wanted a student just like you. I have always wanted to teach students like you. So let's make the most of this beautiful day. Since we're together, we might as well say, would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my student? Won't you please? Won't you please? Please won't you be my student? Hi, video student. I'm glad we're together again today. Hopefully today's filled with fun, a lot of information. But how about we get started on this? We'll grab our book bag and our hall pass and make our way to the classroom. And away we go. Aaron, how are we doing today?
Not good. We're learning prime factorization in math, and I don't understand it at all.
Oh, that must be tough. You know, coincidence is I actually have some prime factorization notes in my book bag.
Really? You can help me?
Absolutely. You just sit down. Little handy notes that we can go over here. Well, why don't you start first with what is prime factorization?
I have no idea, or else I wouldn't be able to get this homework.
Let's see. Prime factorization is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. Pretty simple, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first is, what is a prime number, too? We should know that.
You tell me. I don't know.
Well, prime numbers are numbers that can be divided evenly only by one or itself. And also, it must be a whole number.
So 2.5 is not a prime number.
That's correct. No, it's not. What would be some prime numbers?
2?
2. That'd be the smallest prime number. What are some other ones?
3?
3, that's correct. That's great. Any other one that you think of?
5?
Absolutely. There you go. So now that we know the foundation to this, how about we start on a problem?
Okay.
All right. Well, I noticed that this one kind of similar to the one you're working on.
Yeah.
Is the prime factors of 12. So now we're going to take a look at what can be divided into 12 as a prime number.
2?
2, the smallest prime number. And if you see right here, 12 divided by 2 gives you 6. So now what we'll do is we do what's called a factor tree. So we have our 12, we have the 2, we have the 6. Now is there something else we can do with this?
6 is not a prime number.
That's correct. So what we'll do now is we'll take 6, and what should we look at to divide it by?
2? 3?
Oh, 2. You were right with 2. Always, best thing to do is start with the smallest one, see if that can work. So if we take 6 and divide it by 2, we get
3.
3. Now look down at our tree. We have the 2, we have the 2, the 3. Any other ones we can do?
No.
That's correct. So now we get our equation. 2 times 2 times 3. Now there's another way to write that. If you were to write it into an exponential form, how would that look?
2 squared times 3.
That's correct. And that would be our final answer. So let's try one that's a little bit different. All right?
Okay.
How about 147?
That's a big number.
It's a pretty big number.
Can't be divided by 2.
And why is that?
Because it's odd.
That's right. So now we can't get 2 into it. What would be the next number to check out?
3.
That's right. We'll take a look at 3. Does 3 go into 147?
Yes.
That's right. 49. So now we do our tree. We get a 3 and a 49. Now what would be the next step?
Figure out what goes into 49.
Okay. And what would we get? 7. That's correct. So 7 goes into 49 how many times?
7.
Comes in 7 times. So now we do our tree. We have the 3. We have the 7. We have another 7. Giving us our equation of?
3 times 7 squared.
That's right. Our final answer. So that's not too bad, right?
No, it's a lot easier now.
See? And what I do, I also have some little tips here. I mean, when you're looking at prime factorization trees, or just factoring itself, there's some little helpful kind of cheat clues. First one, what happens if it's an even number?
Divided by 2.
The smallest prime number. If you're looking to divide by 3, you can actually add up all the digits And then your final answer, if that's divisible by 3, that is also a prime number of 3.
Huh.
And then also, what happens if it's 0 or 5 at the end?
Divided by 5.
That's correct. 5, another prime number. So some helpful hints to help you.
Thank you.
All right, so not too bad, right?
No, now I can get my homework done.
That's great. Well, good luck with that.
Thank you.
Yeah, I wonder, what's that noise? You go check that out, Aaron, but good luck, okay?
Okay.
Nate, that's you making all the noise. What are you doing?
I'm hosting a party.
A party? Well, that would explain why you're all dressed up. What is the party for?
It's Cinco de Mayo.
Cinco de Mayo? What is Cinco de Mayo?
Well, it means the 5th of May in Spanish. And it's a big Mexican holiday.
So, like the Independence Day?
No, Mexican Independence Day is in September.
What is Cinco de Mayo then?
Cinco de Mayo celebrates the victory of the Mexicans over the French army in a big battle in the 1800s.
Oh, that's interesting. Never heard of that before. What else does it entail? Anything else?
Well, it's a day to be proud to be Mexican, so they all get together with their friends and family, and they eat Mexican foods, and they listen to Latin music and dance, and it's all decorated with bright colors. It's the day to be Mexican.
Really? And what, now these are obviously an instrument. What is that?
These are maracas.
Maracas. That's different. And this is a
It's a serape.
serape. Wow. Well, that looks like it's a lot of fun.
You want to join?
I would love to. This would be great.
Here, try them out.
Sorry I'm late. I got stuck with a prime factorization in math class, and it made me much more late than I wanted to be.
Well, finally, but what's all over you?
Oh no. It looks like I have germs on me. I have been feeling under the weather lately, so maybe I have the cold.
Cold? You don't look cold.
It's not cold in temperature, silly. It's the common cold. These are rhinoviruses, which are the most common cause of the cold.
Oh, you're sick? Here, I'll give you a hug. You'll feel a
Oh,
lot
no,
better.
no, no, hug me.
Why not?
Because I'm contagious. These bacteria can get onto you and make you have the common cold too. So you don't want to get near me right now.
Okay. So what do we need to do?
So before we hug or do anything that has any contact, we need to wash our hands first in hot water and soap, because these wash off the bacteria, and then my hands will be clean and not have bacteria, and I won't give you the common cold.
Okay, let's go wash our hands.
Let's go be germ busters.
Yeah.
Goodbye. Take care. Whew. What a day. What a great day in the classroom. Hopefully Aaron feels better. I know I hate when I have a cold. I always put you under the weather. So let's look at some things we did today. We learned about prime factorization. We learned about the Mexican culture, Cinco de Mayo. It's not the Independence Day. We also learned about the common cold, and the ways to get rid of it. So I think it was a very good day in the classroom today. So I'm glad that you visited. I can't wait for our next adventure. And have a great day. See you later.